It's not about picking stocks. It's about picking the right portfolio.
Where does a bear market squeeze come from? One, minus 3 months of bear market, right? From August to October, where all the moving monkeys got killed. 75-85% of the 50-day moving monkeys broke in that period. So then they're all like, oh, I'm out. No tweets at Mucker. Then, two, you get a 2 to 3 week move up. Okay? So that's where a bear market bounce comes from going down, or it wouldn't be a bear market, right? The Russell 2000 at one point was down 17 or 18% from July, right? So again, you get a huge bounce. The biggest bounces in things are always in bear markets on a 1 to 2 day basis. Bull markets are not days like yesterday, where KRE, which is bank stocks, and real estate stocks are having their best day since the great financial crisis. And that's not a good thing, right? We already talked about that. But the third thing, like, so you get 1 and you get 2, so that leads you to 3, and I've said this every single time. I measure and map it in my notebook. Jonesy can tell you right now. It says that when the real bear shit leads the rally, that's the beginning of the end of the bear market bounce, right? So we have Profitless Tech. Profitless. I just want to remind you of these words, okay? Profitless Tech and most short. These are the 2 best things you could have owned yesterday. Literal dog shit, right? So I'm going to put John McCullough's equity component of his portfolio into Profitless Tech after it's plus 7.5% yesterday. And this was like most rolling short basket was plus 7.2. Like this is outright panic buying. Panic chasing, panic covering, panic, panic, panic. The only time I've seen that, and this is not the great financial crisis, it could be worse. Because this is a Main Street crisis. Great financial crisis was a Wall Street thing, decked to the halls with Dick Folds fraud, okay? This is a Main Street thing. 2/3 of human beings don't have any money left, right? We're going to go through this whole reality of the U.S. economy, fully loaded with today's retail sales slowing number, and we're going to remind you that anyone who's done fundamental analysis should be short Brian McGough's favorite retailers that crashed in the August to October period. Those are the stocks that were up the most yesterday. MPW was up 12 or 13%. It's a fraud. Or maybe not a fraud. Maybe it is. So these are the kinds of things that you should, like, that's why yesterday I'm like dead wrong and dumb for a day. But again, if I wasn't dead wrong and dumb on all those 08 days, or all those July of 2023 days, or all those January days of 2022, then I wouldn't be smart.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.